enforcement squad has seized a large consignment of foreign cigarettes. Also, we have found that some of the stalls here, despite giving them warnings in the past, they have displayed a number of Indian cigarette packets. Now today the enforcement squad led by Joint Mamlatdar Datraj has, and along with the police, the seizure has been undertaken. We have found that many foreign tourists, many domestic tourists who come to Palolem beach are getting exposed to these cigarettes which are here. The cigarettes are as cheap as 50 to 70 rupees. They are coming from China and Indonesia. There is no warning signs on the cigarette packets, and therefore it is used by children, school students, college students. We have also found today that there are cigarette packets having flavors: strawberry flavor, menthol flavor, chocolate flavor. All these cigarette packets are illegally brought into the state of Goa and moreover brought here on Palolem beach, therefore exposing the youngsters to this reality.